You're welcome to my channel. O.S Jeremiah is my name, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Remember to subscribe below this video by the right side and put on notification, and don't forget to like this video so that it can go viral. Wakanda Inu, the African meme coin, announced that they are burning 76% of their cryptocurrency total supply in the next few days. Remain about 16 days to go as at today, 20th of November, year 2021. And look at Wakanda Inu Twitter page. Let's read it together. We have 16 days to go for our massive Wakanda Inu token bond, valued at about $155 million with today's market price. You know what that means? Stay tuned as we are going global. I want to know the fact that I can see that there are so many people in the cryptocurrency industry. Maybe we have been in this game quite for years, and due to your inexperience, you don't understand what the bond means. Listing. Let me tell you the issue of Binance. Binance supply was very huge from the beginning, but as year going over a year from the month of July, year 2017, when Binance went live, they started burning their cryptocurrency from one year to another. And let me give you another live practical case study. If you don't understand this simple emphasis, when there is scarcity, let's say you wanted to buy yam in the market, and as more buyer wanted to buy yam to consume through one processing or the other, started entering the market, and there is a scarcity of yam in the market, what do you think may likely happen? The supplies keep reducing in the market, but buyers, which are demand, keep going higher. Scarcity will occur in the market and price will spike. Remember, let me give you the case study. I want to sell my yam at the rate of $100, but I do keep watching the market. More buyers keep flooding into the market. What will happen in the market? They keep dragging, they keep fighting for the little amount of yam inside the market, and I have opportunity to sell it even $150 from $100, $200, $300, because of I have demand pull inflation capacity for me to decide in order to sell it at the highest price. Instead of $100, I can even sell it up to $1,000 if there is a crazy yam demand in the live market. So the same rules apply to the cryptocurrency industry. So that is it. The more they keep burning their cryptocurrency on a yearly basis, back to the Binance experience that made Binance spike from 10 cents, just 10% of a dollar in year 2017, month of year 2017, to $691 as at today, 20th of November, year 2021, which is a Binance all-time high, and that is about 6,910 times return on investment in the space of 4 years because of burning and scarcity in Binance. So that is it. Remember, they are going to burn 76% of their total supply, worth 155 million. When you look at the screen very well, based on Wakanda Inu, and the scarcity will occur, the token supply will reduce in this African community driving project, Wakanda Inu, African community and African continent, Wakanda Inu, African continent driving project. So this will help price spike up at any time because of a lot of people, especially from African continent, backing this project. A lot of traders, a lot of investors. As you remember that it was in the last 48 hours they announced 80k orders. So 80k orders means a lot when a new project like this Wakanda Inu, fully backed by African people and the world, announce 80k orders. It means a lot. So a little hype in this project will make price spike to the next level. So that is it when it comes to burning or no burning. I hope you have learned something big in this episode, and in the future when you come across a new project burning their cryptocurrency, and it has never, I don't think it has happened in history for a project to burn 76% of token once. 76% of token once. It has never happened in history. Even Binance used to burn little by little token percent. So this 76%, and it's very massive in there. So a little hype will make Wakanda Inu spike into the next level. So it's an opportunity for you to get in now, for you to make massive return, and never say I did not tell you. So you know exactly what to do now. Don't forget that so far you are hearing the voice of O.S Jeremiah, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Remember to like this video below by the left side for it to go viral, and also remember to share it below by the right side. Sharing is key so that you can gain access. Remember to subscribe in this channel below by the right side so that you can gain access to my next video. I used to post minimum of 3 to 7 videos every week, and I'm posting another one within the next 24 hours. I'm talking about highly profitable content. The best way for you to grab my content immediately is to click the description below now, and you are going to see link to my private Telegram channel where you can be following me every hour, every day, every week for you to access where you can invest for you to make a massive return immediately. And lastly, am I doing it right or wrong? Do you like this content? Have you been impacted in this video? Let me know in the comments whether I am doing it right or wrong. And lastly, do you have any problem you are passing through in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry? Let me know in the comments and I'm going to reply you immediately. So far, you have been hearing the voice of O.S Jeremiah, your cryptocurrency specialist from a Nigerian country. Watch out for another power pack episode within the next 24 hours. Thank you for your time. Bye for this episode.